So today I'm going to prepare some seared artichokes, my version to artichoke alla Romana. And it's very, very simple and very, very tasty. So one of my favorite vegetables, artichokes, king vegetable, I love it. So of course I did peel, oops! By the way, the gloves are not because of Corona, they're because when you peel artichokes, you can take the black off your nails and your hands. Not that I have anywhere to go to or show my beautiful hands. So of course I already pre-peeled my artichoke. I put my artichokes in water with slices of lemon so they don't darken. I peel my artichokes from all its leaves almost. Of course, my favorite country. I'm all about Italian food now. It's my favorite country, my favorite food. In my next life, I will definitely ask God if He can make sure that I'm born in Italy. I love my country, but Italy wins them all. Okay, so I peel the artichoke from the top of the, how would I call it? The branch. Now that it's peeled like this, I just take off all the little white hair. Okay, so once it's peeled and ready, I will cut it from top to down. This is a small artichoke, so halves are good. This is how the artichoke has to look at the end. So they're cut into quarters. So I have 10 artichokes here, swimming in water. I'm going to take the lemon pieces out. I'm going to start olive oil. I love olive oil, so let's say 4 tablespoons of olive oil in a big pan. Let it heat. Artichokes are so healthy for you. They contain a lot of iron, vitamin B, and they're so good. You don't have to do a lot with artichokes, really. Just talk for themselves. To me, they always talk in Italian. So I am going to strain the water. I keep stirring. I like it to be nicely roasted and to have that kind of caramelized color. Make sure you keep stirring because if not, they might burn on the bottom of the pot. And then this is how seared I like them to be. A little caramelized. I like to add the salt towards the end of the searing. I would say a flat tablespoon of sea salt. A little less for those who don't like as much salt. You can always add salt later on. Pepper is a must. Pepper goes very well with the taste of artichoke. It like accentuates the taste, I find. There you go. Salt, pepper. I'm lowering the fire. I cover my artichokes. I'll light a smaller fire. Move them to the smaller fire. I like them to cook for approximately 45 minutes to an hour, depending how soft you like them. I test them with a fork. I like them very soft. I like them to melt in the mouth. That's all there is to it. Artichokes, seared artichokes, artichokes alla Romana. Ti amo.